Good afternoon, Glenn Old Man with a Cam, and today we're in Parma, Ohio for a very sad situation. I just found out about this the other day. It appears that the Ridgewood Country Club has a clubhouse, which I've seen many a times. Being a local resident, I've been up here to play at this course I don't know how many times. My dad taught us how to play golf here. The clubhouse is going to be torn down. It's going to be demolished, made way for a new clubhouse. Now, there are no plans yet on what the newer clubhouse looks like. I would assume it's going to have a little bit of a look like this, which kind of looks like a house that was modified. And the reason for that is that if you notice where we're at, we're right in the heart of Parma. There are houses all around. I'll post some photos so you can get a better idea of how expansive the course is and what it's set in the middle of. Yeah, this is a very sad day. I was up here actually yesterday. Unfortunately, it was so windy and rainy and cold, I couldn't get anything done. The sound was turning out lousy, but today it's beautiful. You can see the sun shining. We got some sunshine there. A little pink flamingo up front. I hope somebody takes those and rescues them. Yeah, this front part here is supposed to be a banquet facility. I believe there's some upstairs. I don't remember. I've been in there so many times. However, I've only been down on the lower level. There is a restaurant and a bar. You have the changing rooms, which are over there. And then on this end is basically the kitchen facility and storage. I know there's some storage in there. We're going to take a walk around the back here. Hopefully we can get around the back and take a look at what the back looks like. You can see they've already started some demolition. They've got the equipment all set up, ready to go. Now, they've got it fenced off. I don't know if you can see that. You can see the fence, it's fenced off, but it's open at the drive. So I'm going to kind of take a walk around back. It's not posted, so I would assume we could go back here. I'll give you a view of the golf course itself. Beautiful back here. For a spring day, it's pretty good. This is March 20th, 2022. Many times we've been up here playing. Little history on this. The golf course was built, look at that, another one. That's two. The golf course was built in 1927, I believe. Actually, it was opened July 4th, 1927. Here's where you would go in and pay your greens fees. All of the carts would be lined up out here. Let's see what they have in here. Let's see if we can see anything. You know, they said they were supposed to tear this down tomorrow. But from what I see in there, I don't know if that's going to happen. Well, let's get back to the history. 1927, it opened. And from there, and this is the original structure for it, many golfing greats have passed through here. The likes of Walter Hagen, Billy Burke, Ben Hogan, Byron Nelson, and even Arnold Palmer, when he was in the Coast Guard and stationed here, played here.
And let's not forget Dave Zahara.
Arnold Palmer on this course. That is fantastic. There is one other person that is dear to our community, and that's Barb Mucha, 5-time LPGA winner. She honed her skills here. We're going to go around front. They say they're going to have a ceremony here tomorrow, March 21st, and then it will be raised. But again, there's just so much in there that I see through the window. Are they just going to leave that? I don't know. I don't know what they're going to do. Try and make it over here. Take a look at it from the front again. Oh, it's a beautiful day. Yeah, breezy, cool. It's in the 40s. We lived in this community, and as young'uns, my father would bring us up here to play golf. He would even pay for our fees to come up and play. He loved golf so much. Yeah, we're gonna miss it. Again, I remember as a child having Christmas parties inside in the banquet facility. Let's take a walk down the drive here and take a look at it from this side. This is where we would normally come in. There's a parking lot down there, and they have a trail and a cart path coming up. Let's go over there and take a look. And that's where we were before, on the back end of it. Well, I think that's going to do it. I just wanted to come up and document this before it's torn down. It will no longer be. Thanks for joining me. Glad to have you along. Have a great day.
Remember to like, share, and subscribe. It's free and it helps my channel. Thanks for watching.